Hello and welcome to the first ever tutorial type video from me. Nsub is my hunter name. I'm not telling you my real name. Anyway, I'm here at Rougarou Bayou because I'm from Louisiana. And I'm going to duck hunt and try to show you how to kill 2 ducks with 1 shot. I have a technique I kind of use for that, where I call the ducks down at a certain time with the short caller. Today I'm going to use primal shotgun with the red dot and the 20 gauge. I'm only bringing my duck stuff, clothes, swamp gear, and Lucky the dog. Got my duck set up here, side-by-side blinds. And my decoys are 2 spreads roughly 110 meters apart. The blinds spread equal distance. My preference is the right hand blind. I just like to be in it because when Lucky sets ducks down, it's on land mostly. Rainbow. Oh, is that a double rainbow? Ah, a double rainbow for my first video here. How neat is that? Wow, a double rainbow. What does it mean? Anyway, let's see if we can get some ducks down. Let's load up. As you can kind of tell, it went all out on the swamp camo and in the swamp here. Got a couple towers set up. That's a 100 boar feeder right there and a 100 bear feeder if you're ever interested in joining a hunt. I normally have a tree stand set up here, tree stand here, tripod over here. I can set up ducks over here, 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 and here. Anyway, let's see if we can get some ducks down and try this out. Oh, and I will accompany all my videos with music because I like to listen to music when I play the game. And I might even do a little contest at the end of this video if you can guess where the last song comes from. Normally get a few ducks around 7 o'clock here. I like this location because of the centralized area on the map. Seems to get a lot of ducks fly over from several different angles and flight paths. I hear ducks. Yep, there we go. I think we already had some break or something. Yeah. Here's short call method when they come together right there to turn. Short call them so they try to stay in the turn together. And then, well, I shot too late. Or too, yeah. There's those 2 anyway. Oh, man. That was a perfect opportunity for 4 with 2 shots, but I screwed it up because the little stupid hole right over your head stopped me. If I'd have been able to keep leading them, I'd have got those and then come back around on the other 2. But get rid of the hole! EW, I don't like the hole. Stop me right there. Stop. But I did get 2 with 1 there. And that's the general idea, is to short call once and at the right time to keep all the ducks together. We'll see if we can get some more down and continue the process here. Make sure there's no flukes. And so you know I'm not BSing you with how to do this, so you can do it too. And if you like the video, please comment and let me know, so I will be motivated to continue with this. If you don't like it, let me know that too, because then I'll just sit in shame and never do it again. That's always fun. More ducks, please. More ducks, plucks. Right now, normally I'd probably be sitting on Netflix watching Orange is the New Black or something along those lines, waiting for a flock of ducks. And I really don't know what to say to you people, because I don't know if anybody's even going to watch this. But hey, at least it's good music, I think. I thought I heard a duck. It might have just been a noise in the song.
I will become master of the universe.
For those who can hear me, I say, do not despair. The misery that is now upon us is but the passing of dreams. The bitterness of men fear the way of human progress.
10 points to whoever can tell me where this speech comes from. Who this is speaking and where it comes from. 10 points if you name the movie, 10 points to name the person speaking. Let's see if the game cooperates with some more ducks here. One flock in 10 minutes is not my idea of... Oh, here we go. There we got some breakage. See if we can get them to short call. Right there and come together and swing back around my way. Oh, there went the stupid hole again. Oh, almost got all of them. I still got two again. That stupid hole. Gosh, that's twice. Let's talk about bad luck. Trying to shoot the first video and get the hole twice. Man. I don't have holes in real life. I don't know. I don't know about you, but I could shoot straight over my head if I want to risk bullets coming down on me. I don't like the hole. Get rid of the hole, E-dub. End it. Now, I've done it with the 12 gauge with the dot. I'll try it with the 20 gauge this time. It's a little bit more difficult. You have to wait till the ducks get over you because it's hard to judge them from underneath the barrel. So I'll try and show how it's pretty much done the same way. You just don't shoot until they fly over you, which I've pretty much gotten 2 with 1 shot both times they flew over. So it's the same concept. Dos locos ducks. 2 crazy ducks.
The misery that is now upon us is but the passing of greed. The bitterness of men fear the way of human progress.
Human
Hate
progress.
of men who will pass, and dictators die. And the power they took from the people will
Return to the people.
And so long as men die, liberty will never perish. Don't give yourselves to these unnatural men, machine men with machine minds and machine hearts. You are not machines, you are not cattle, you are men.
And I was wondering, does anybody else see the line through the swamp? There's like a line in the trees, about halfway up them. You really see it when you're in a tree stand. Oh, more ducks, and those broke already. We'll try and call these. Keep them together right here. And shoot when they fly over. Oh, I missed my first shot. That was pretty terrible. I apologize. I have a horrible shot today. Get in the hole. Missing ducks on first shots. Man, that was terrible. I might have got feathers. We'll see in the replay if I got feathers. Let's see if we can get something to break off of this flock here. But you generally get the idea of the concept, and that's to short call the ducks as they go into the turn. And that gives you a pretty good bunch together. But you don't want to wait until after they split up. And you don't want to do it too early or they'll split up. So it's kind of like right before they go into their first turn, they go to split. If you can get them right at the right time, they'll break together and come down over you, and you'll pretty much get lots of ducks. See 2. Oh look, I gained a new ribbon. Go Lucky. Good dog. Good boy. But we got a few pairs out there. We got a few pairs. Go get the duck. See the duck, go get. Alright, now, this is the song. If you can guess where this song, like where the inspiration for the song and where they use the samples in this song from. Let me see about possibly doing a contest with that, like 100 EMs. I don't know. I don't want to promise it. But if I can, like, I don't know how I would send somebody 100 EMs. There's a way to do that. If you can tell me where this comes from, I will send you 100 EMs. Let's see if I can get these. Alright, that should be a good call. Gotta let them fly over. Oh, I only got one. Man, that's pretty bad. Thought for sure I'd get at least 2 on that. So, hoping that male would drop down and I'd possibly get 3 with that one shot. That was my aim for what, that's what I was trying to do while I left the dot where it was. It's pretty good when you get at least 1 every time you're trying for multiples. But I think I'm gonna pretty much conclude this video. Keep it short and pretty sweet. Under 20. Oh, no, don't go. Don't fly. Oh, no, there's ducks coming. Yep, that's gonna be a spook. That's gonna be a spook. Pretty big break, too. Let's see if I can hit this. Nope. Oh, I forgot to reload, too. I think that's a pretty good time to, let's see if he gets in before these flee. I think I can get these down. Haha. I think I can get these down. Yeah, we're gonna do it. Let's get a right call. Right here. Right here is gonna be the call. I want to do it with a 20. I kind of short called too early. There's an example of what happens when you short call a little bit too early. Oh. No, those are too far. There's an example of when you short call them a little bit too early, what happens. They do the split rather than stay together. So at least I got a couple different examples. That was what not to do. So I know that's pretty terrible to say. I was not trying to show you what not to do, but that was me messing up right there. I can admit my faults. I'm not too big for that, or too small, whatever. I'm not too proud to admit when I did something wrong, and I did it the wrong way there. So that's what not to do. So we have a couple of contests, 10 points if you can tell me where the speech comes from and who said it and what movie it's from. And also, if you can tell me where these samples in this this song right here comes from. And I'm gonna send. I think it's a good time to send luck out. Get the rest of my ducks, collect, and call this video. Try maybe get one more where I don't miss any during the break. That'd be nice to do. I'm not gonna do much more than that. Figured 20 minutes is good. Bring him in case a flock comes. I think that's gonna close it. I hope you've learned something here today from my video. It's the first ever video I've done from Rougarou Bayou. Hole sucks. But I hope you enjoyed it. And let me know. Try and win a contest or something. I don't know. Bye. Alright, so, wow, I'm going to go ahead and add this to that video because, I guess follow-up, as I'm cleaning up these birds, I just took first place in the mallard comp, and that's the biggest bird I've ever killed, 1595. Wow, that's huge. So, I'm gonna go ahead and excuse me, trophy shot him. Wow, that's awesome. Which I don't even remember which gun I shot. I'm gonna take it with a 20 gauge though. Come here, Luck. Let's get you in this picture. Where's the sun at? Sun's gonna be behind us. Yeah, let's get you in the sun. Sit down. Let's turn you this way. Get you nice and in there. Yeah, that's a good boy. Get the bird to... There we go. Get some birds in the background too. There we go. Some ducks breaking in the background. Accept it. That's what I'm talking about. That's we're gonna go ahead and call that a hunt, ladies and gentlemen. And thank you for your time here today and watching how it's done. This has been my tutorial. I am in sub, and let's see if I can shoot this. Let's see how far away that was. It's not too far, but I want to see how far away that was with the 12 gauge shotty. That's dumb mallard. Let's see. Oh, only 50. That's cool. Anyway, have a good one.